Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas. Latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women. Some ideas for mature women. You see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle. Fine straight hair. Two short wave and curls on hair, curly hairstyle. And very beautiful ideas of messy hairstyle. Different collection of spiky hairstyle. Beautiful spike with undercut. Trendy and very beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle with undercut. different ideas of undercut and shaved art. So stylish collection of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut. Chucky haircut, wedge haircut. And different type of cut. Some ideas layered, some ideas deep layered. Some ideas step. Eye-catching ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas, funky colors. And many much more latest collection. Beautiful ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish and you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. My video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support. Your help, so I hope you do this and share it all over social media accounts. Once again, I request you, if you are not subscribed my channel, so please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video. See you soon in next video. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.